Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through using Hailuo AI, one of the best free AI video generators available. Whether you're looking to create videos for YouTube, social media, or personal projects, Hailuo AI makes it easy and accessible. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the process, from creating an account to exporting your first video. Let's get started. The first step is to visit the Hailuo AI website. If you don't already have an account, click on the Sign In button. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password, or you can just continue with Google and choose your Gmail account. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. This is where you can start creating videos, browse templates, or manage your projects. To create your first video, click on the Video button in the top left panel. This will open the project editor. Hailuo AI offers a range of templates that you can choose from, depending on the type of video you want to make. For example, there are templates for marketing, tutorials, and social media posts. Once you select a template, the editor will load it. You can now customize the prompt to fit your needs. Click on any text element in the template to edit it. You can type in your own text. Hailuo AI uses a simple drag-and-drop interface, so it's easy to rearrange elements. You can also create video clips from scratch. Go back to the main dashboard, click on the Create button in the left panel, and a menu will appear, and you can either make an image to a video or text to a video. You can upload your own media files or choose from Hailuo AI's built-in library. After adding in the details, you can click on the Create button at the bottom and it will use 30 credit and create a new video according to your given prompt. Next, let's add a voiceover. Hailuo AI has a built-in text-to-speech feature. Click on the Audio option from top of the dashboard screen and it will take you to the Audio section. You can choose from a variety of AI-generated voices and different accents, each with different tones. Select the one that suits your video best. You can also adjust the speed, pitch, and emotion of the voice. After writing your text and adding all the details, you can click on the Generate Speech button to generate the audio file. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to export it. Just go to the Mine section and choose the video you want to download. Hover over your cursor on that video and you will see a download icon at the bottom of the video. Click the icon to directly download the video on your PC. When the export is complete, you can share it to different social media platforms. If you want to delete the video, just click on the three dots button and click Delete to delete the video. And that's it. You've successfully created a video using Hailuo AI. With its user-friendly tools and powerful features, it's easy to produce professional quality videos without spending a dime. Now, if you want to make serious money by simply generating simple AI videos using Hailuo AI, I found the perfect side hustle for you. 99% of people have never even heard of it. You can turn it into extremely passive income over time, and it only requires a few hours of work per week. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.